Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing the Instagram create post option not showing problem or the plus button is missing, then this video is for you. Don't worry, today I'll show you simple and working fix to solve this issue. Okay, let's get started. For Instagram app and see, this is the problem. Instagram plus button missing problem. Okay, first open your Google Play Store and search for Instagram app and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Okay, go back and go to your phone settings and scroll down, then click on the apps option and scroll down, now tap on the Instagram, now click on the pause stops. Okay, scroll down, then click on the storage, clear cache, clear data, delete, go back and tap on the permission option and allow all permission, call locks, camera allow, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photo, send videos, allow all permission. Okay, go back and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Okay, go back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and open your Instagram app and see, this is the problem. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.